start. Ying, lights on or lights off? Nagulat ako kanina.
Di, akala ko nakakas sa puso, eh. Pinabahan ko ng
Legit, yan yung gulat ko nung tumugtog. Legit, yan. Kung ano yung itsura ko dyan, ganyan ako nagulat. Anyway, introducing to tonight, or for our town hall, our champion focus segment. For today, ang una nating biktima ay si Ying. The purpose of this segment sa town hall is to get to know everyone. So we hope na through this segment, we get to know more of our team members. Starting with Ying. Gulat na naman ako.
Gulatan niyo dyan na the talk show.
Oh, are you ready, Ying?
Okay. Is it a yes or no question?
Bala ka, hulaan mo. Basta yung fast talk, sagutin mo yung tanong ko, Ying. Quickly, no follow-up question. Let's start. Ying, lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Sex or chocolates?
Sex.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sunset or sunrise?
Sunrise.
Apple or Android?
Apple.
Matangkad or mapayat?
Matangkad.
Mahaba or mataba?
I think mataba.
Mataba, okay. Does size matter, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, dagat or bundok?
Bundok.
Favorite color?
Blue.
Alright, and that's it. Thank you, Ying, for your time. Ako yung natataranta. Timer. Anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out with us. Ying, thank you for sharing your life and sharing bits and pieces of you sa team. Ayan. Happy Monday, everyone. Bye-bye.